everyone! Hi and welcome back to my channel, Libra USA, and today I'm doing another awesome video, and today I'm in New York City subway train. And before I talk about that, I'm going to share a little bit of facts about the subway train, so let's do it. So first of all, did you know that this subway train is really fast? It goes like vroom, 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 vroom. It's super fast. And did you know that 5.66 million people use this system daily? That is so much people, and the train is coming right now, so yay. So yeah, and also did you know that this subway train never closes? It's open for over 24 hours. It's like always open. You can come anytime. There's a train right there. And yeah, and also did you know that there's numbers and letters to this subway train? So I'm gonna say the letters first. So yeah, so A, B, C, D, E, M, N, R, Q, W. Yeah, those are the letters. Now the numbers. One. Oh, the train is so fast. I can hear nothing. Wait. I'm gonna wait for the train to go. Wait. Ah, the train is so loud. I can't hear anything. Can you even hear me? Ah. Okay, the train is gone. Now I can talk better. It was so loud. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm on the 6th train, so I'm waiting for a 6th train to come, and I'm gonna get on it with you guys, and I'm gonna show you all around. Hello guys, I'm Yaska Show for New York City subway train. So let's go. Okay guys, so right now, oh, the train's coming! The train! See guys, the train's coming! Let's wait for the train. See, the train's coming. Ah! So loud! It's so loud, isn't it? Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's so loud. Okay, we're going on this one, right? Yeah, we're going on this one. Come on. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, guys, I'm in the 6th train. And if you want to know where I'm going to the Grand Center Station. So, yeah. So, there's a bunch of people here in the train. They're probably waiting until the train goes to the place they want to go. And there's a map right there. You see all the people? You see? And that's the map. You see the map? It's so huge. And look out the window. See out the window? See we're on the train track. See? And like, see all the buildings and McDonald's. Wow, we can see everything from here. See all the cars that's going rum rum on the like the road, and a lot of people just walking and the sidewalks. It's super nice. And there's just a lot of things, so yeah. And it's also a 6th train. Wow, and there's a construction worker there. How is he so brave to do that? It looks like they're making a new track for the trains. Maybe because this track doesn't work that much. I don't know. Whoa, the construction workers are so brave. They're doing so many good stuff right now. They're making a new track. Oh, now the train stopped for different. The train is coming. And you can go uptown or downtown. From 1 to 2, 3 such a great day today at Grand Central. Enjoy! Enjoy everything! It's so big here. It's so big. Information and everything.
Your attention, please. All luggage and parcels must be attended at all times. Any items left unattended will be removed by and subject to search by the MTA police.
Guys, look! Wow! So much people! This is like the best place ever! Super nice here. See? Let's go. So we're underground right now. See? See? They're right over here. So let's go. Wow! See? Like, we're going. We're literally under the ground. 4, 5, 6, and 7 are upstairs. Out there. Let's go. So we're gonna go together. So let's go. Come on. Whoa. Come on. Gonna go in here. You see? We're gonna go in the train, so we need to figure out where the train spot is. Wait. ride in this train right here that I'm in is gonna go into a big tunnel. Like right now, it's gonna go into a big tunnel. Wow, it's so dirty here. I don't really like how it looks. It's gonna go in a tunnel. See? Oh, we're in a tunnel. We're in a tunnel. I can't see anything. We're in a big black tunnel. It's super creepy.